Hello everyone, I'm Chima Ozuchukwu and I'm adjunct faculty over here at ARCC and I teach anatomy and physiology at the Cambridge campus. If you teach online and you have minimal interactions with your students, an intro video might be something to consider. If you are interested in this, take a listen at one I just made. My fall class, and my name is Chima. If you enjoyed my intro video and would like to make one like that, follow these steps. Step 1 would be recording the actual introduction, and you can do this with your phone. You basically want to record that introduction stating your name, what you teach, and information you think would be pertinent to your students knowing you better as a professor or as a person. Step 2 would be making a fancy 10 to 20-second intro video. And for this, I use a website called placeit.net. You should be able to make one completely free without having to subscribe. You might get an intro video with less quality than if you actually had a subscription. Now, to make that intro video, I just come here to the search bar and I could type intro, and it gives me a plethora of already made intro video templates, and I could just select any one I want here. I could do this one if I wanted. Forgive me, I think my net is a little bit slow. Perfect. And now I can go here and edit, the text, and I could say, welcome to my physics class, or welcome to physics 101. And I could just delete any text I really don't want to see or need. And also, if I wanted, I could add a different slide. We could pick this one. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the slide to load. Internet is a little bit slow. And then of course I could edit the text. I could say things about your professor then of course I could delete any other thing I don't need, and you can adjust this or edit this as you want, and then you can preview what you've done. And this is what the video would look like. And if I'm satisfied with this, I could download the video. Just pressing download here. Now you really don't need to purchase anything. All you need to do is click or get the free watermarked low resolution video here. So you can actually do this and get this for free. You really don't want to pay for anything, and you just click this and your video is ready, as you can see here. So for the third and final step, you want to do some editing. For editing, I use an app called InShot. You can download this on the Play Store. You should also be able to download this if you have or use any Apple products as well. And let's get right into editing. So for editing, first you want to click video. You want to click new. You want to look for the videos you've already made. So I want to look for the video I made with Placeit. And you actually want to look for the recording of yourself describing your class, describing anything you want your students to know prior to taking your class as well. And this is that video for me. And I click this tick button. Now the video populates here, and I can do whatever I want to do here. I could add text if I wanted to, so I could scroll all the way here and I could add like an extra text just saying bio 2113. I could change the position of the text to any position I want. I could add font stickers, just something showing what, your personality, anything you want your students to, to see. I could, put really fun eyes here, anything to spice that video up. And once I'm done, I just want to come to the top here and click save, and it saves it on my whatever gadget I'm using. If I'm using a phone, a Galaxy Tab, or an iPad, it saves it on here. I found out for me it's easier to save the video on my phone or pad and actually transfer this to my YouTube channel and provide my students with the link. It's just easier for me that way, so my students can watch that video on my D2L shell whenever they choose to. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I've enjoyed making this how to do intro video, and I hope it's useful in your classes. Thank you. Bye bye.